Here's something you may not know about me. I was born in Seoul, Korea, and I was 5 when I was adopted by American parents. Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know me, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we love you and we thank you so much for your support.
Today we're going to show you the 90-45 French braid.
This style is a softer French braid look using what I call the 90-45 technique. So let's get started. You're going to start off by taking a section up on top. Anything I use in her hair, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Okay, so you're going to take a section of her hair, split it into 3 equal parts. Okay? And you're going to hold it at a 90-degree angle. So pretty much straight to the chest. You're going to do half a stitch of a braid by taking the right strand over the middle, taking a section on the side and adding it. Take the left, bring it over to this strand. Take a section here to the left and add it just like a French braid. But the difference is you're going to hold this braid at a 90-degree angle at all times. When you do a normal French braid, you're going to hold it towards her scalp. But with this, you're going to use that 90-degree angle hold. So you're just going to continue doing a French braid. And this gives it such an elegant look at the end when you're done. Make sure that you keep it at a 90-degree angle. And then just keep pancaking them out as you go down. Depending on the length of hair and the texture, this takes about 5 to 7 minutes to complete. And this is so simple and easy. Okay, so I'm just going to tie it off. And then I'm just going to go back and just pancake them out. This is really great for special occasions, prom, homecoming. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little hairspray. Just going to add a bow. And there you have it. Final spin. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. We can really use your help on some style suggestions, so please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. To check out more of our styles, click on over there and there.
We love you guys. Until next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye.